Hi, this is Jack McKenna with Land Data Plus, giving a presentation on managing large photogrammetry projects simultaneously. It's extracted from a webinar dated August 2025. Host Michael O'Sullivan of SimActive and Pradipta Mahapatara, I hope I said that right, Impulsions Laser. The objective: to explore whether multiple large photogrammetry projects can be managed simultaneously without sacrificing quality or deadlines. Scalable workflow components: LiDAR processing, medium and large format cameras, orthophoto creation. Key requirements: camera calibration files, image and flight overlap, GCPS, ground control points and checkpoints, strict photogrammetric standards. The workflow process: install sanity check on a small block. Rare to reject bad data mid-process. Client resolves overlap/exposure issues. Parallel projects across machines. Cloud servers for global access. Data management: very large LiDAR volumes. Cloud server flexibility, remote technician access, batch scripting and automation, parallel workflows to avoid backlog. QA/QC practices: mid-process checks for aerial triangulation, any gaps in ground control points. Monitor mosaic quality, 5 to 10 centimeter GSD. Display important for review accuracy. LiDAR-derived ground control points improve accuracy. Team collaboration and accuracy: multiple technicians reviewing files simultaneously. Investigate and remove high residual tie points. Introduce alternative ground control points if needed. Maintain strict measurement tolerances. Conclusion: managing multiple large photogrammetry projects is feasible with scalable cloud workflows, early data issue detection, strong QA/QC processes, LiDAR integration with camera data, skilled collaborative teams. Thank you for your attention. This is Jack McKenna. Email address jack_McKenna@landdataplus.com.